What's up, guys? We're back here in the Parker Performance Garage tonight, and we wanted to share with you, I guess it's probably like one of our first updates on the RTR since I bought it. Really, we haven't really done like any specialized feature on it. So tonight we're going to bring you some updates, some products that are already here, some stuff that's going on this week, and where we're headed to. So this is the first update in a while. If you've seen the car on the channel, you've seen that the most recent video we did of the RTR. We took it to the FL2K event, and I wasn't satisfied with the performance of the car. We're gonna leave a little softer. Oh, it's diving already. 178. Just dies. It loses all power. The heat is killing us. So I began putting my ducks in a row, reaching out to our vendors and our partners that we do business with on a regular basis, and started to acquire parts to fix those issues. You've seen a couple of the What's in the Box episodes. We've got a VMP heat exchanger on board for it. We've got a Siley dual pump fuel system. We've got a set of Siley fuel rails, and the last piece of the puzzle for me is I've been running the factory exhaust. So we reached out to Steve at LTH, and he sent us this amazing Scorpion catback exhaust. This is a full exhaust system from the headers back. I currently am already running the Long Tube Headers brand long tubes with an X-pipe into the factory exhaust. I went ahead and purchased a new system here that includes the X-pipe all in one piece. We want to be able to show you the whole package. So this is the full catback system. As you see, you're gonna get the Scorpion mufflers. This is LTH's take on trying to quiet down the raspiness. Similar to what you would get for a guy who has an active exhaust, where you get the quieter cold starts. And then when you wanna romp on it, it obviously works and performs loudly just like you desire. So, being that my car is a 400A, not a 401A, it didn't have the active exhaust, this seems to be the best solution for me. I'm a little older now in my days, and I don't necessarily like it as loud as I once would have in my younger days. So we're gonna put this on, and hopefully we're gonna get the experience of no drone. Good quiet cold starts, even with the long tubes, catless, X-pipe, all that, and then be able to go full Monty and enjoy the sound of that supercharged Coyote humming. This is made in USA. You've heard us talk about it before. These guys are local here on the East Coast. We'd like to support them. We love Steve and all the guys there at LTH and what they're doing to bring great products to S550 owners like me. And if you're looking for something similar, you can check it out on the website. It's parkerperformancefl.com. And stay tuned for an install video. We'll be bringing you these going on the RTR. So that's where we're at with the RTR for now, right? We're gonna get these things installed. And next event we're gonna be heading to is Ponies in the Smokies. That's a big one at the end of March. Actually, I forgot, we're gonna go to NMRA at the end of this month, end of February. It's February 28th, February 29th because it is leap year, and I believe March 1st as well. Vaughn Gittin Jr. and the boys from RTR are gonna be there in the Formula D drift cars. They're gonna do a little drag race. If I can get the car done by then, we'll have it there for them and for you guys to check out. And until then, we'll see you at NMRA or Ponies in the Smokies. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and make sure you subscribe and like and comment and all that stuff. What's up, guys? We're back here at the Parker Performance Garage today. It is our grand opening. It's our open house. We're here to have fun and hang out. As you can see, the VIP parking is already filling up. Listen, come by, say what's up, get some food on the food truck, grab some merch, and look, we look forward to seeing you, man. Stay tuned.